beautiful shining stars. I hope that you're doing so well today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, my little slice of pie here on the internet. I'm so grateful that you decided to click on this video. Thank you for 400 subscribers. That made my entire life. I'm so grateful that you all decided to subscribe and follow my journey, and I have a really fun video today. It is just how to ship internationally on Depop. So it's really easy, painful, and I hope that painful. What? It is very easy and very breezy. Wow, can I not speak today? Thank you. It is very easy, and I hope that it will help you out. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask them down below. I'd love to help you out any further that I possibly can. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, so first you're just going to go onto your app and you're going to scroll to the item that you want to ship internationally. This could be every item if you decide to do it this way, or just the one item that you happen to need to ship internationally. All you need to do is click edit and scroll down to the shipping options, and you'll see it's domestic, which you probably have it priced at either to ship on your own or with Depop. And then you're going to see the worldwide option. You're just going to click on that and turn it on, and then it will have shipping cost price or whatever, and you can just type in how much it will ship. So you'll find this out as you go on to Pirate Ship, which is actually so easy to use, and my friend Kendall told me about it, so shout out to her. And she told me how easy it is to use, so that's what I did, and I will get to that clip. So you're going to just go into pirateship.com and you can either create a free account or log in. But right now I'm not going to show you how to get rates. So all you need to do is click rates, then put in your zip code from the US and then where you want to send it to. So I'm just going to say the United Kingdom for an example. Then just choose the type of packaging. So you could do box, poly mailer, or priority mail flat rate box. And then you're going to type in the dimensions and the weight, and then you'll get the rates. So you can go ahead and ship now if those sound good to you. Otherwise, you can go ahead and log in and create a shipping label. From create a shipping label, you can go ahead and just put in the person's information. Their email and phone number is optional, but make sure you put their name and their actual address in there and the country that you're shipping to. Then go ahead and put in your information and the type of packaging. So I always just ship in a poly mailer, but that's depending on what you're shipping out. So if it's shoes, obviously a box is probably more of a better option. Put the length, the width, and the package weight, and then who it is shipping from. And you'll sign the customs form and give them a little bit of a description of what you're shipping, just so that the people at customs know. And then you'll go ahead and click get rates. There you go. Okay, so once you're done with Pirate Ship and you have your label printed off, it will have your phone number on there and your signature. Usually you just type it out and it's good to go. And just print it out, put it in either a packing slip or tape it, whatever is easiest for you, onto the package. Make sure your package is secure and ready to go, and then drop it off at the post office. It's really that easy, and it cost me about $19 to ship to Canada when I shipped internationally only one time, and it was really easy to do, and I had actually such a good time doing it because I was just so excited that someone else in a different country was going to be able to love the item that I used to wear and start their stuff in their own country. I think that's just so cool, and spreading fashion and love throughout was just awesome. So this is a great way to elevate your little side hustle or your actual business to the next level, and I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you're new here, I do create videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so stay tuned for that, and I have 12 days of Vlogmas coming at you in about a week and a half. I would love it if you subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Shine bright.
Bye.